Not something that can be explained. It's more so a force. It's the beginning and the end. Abstract.
I am the Leviathan. This starts with a violent end. It's Clash of the Titans, then the sky collapse and I relax the abstract. Nah, motherfucker, when I silence them. Tune it back, I'm soon as snapping. View you rap humans as stupid bastards. Actually, use some cats and moving past the tool you be doomed to act. I learned the truth is false, so burn the few they learn and walk home. Sympathy. For the race of men, I have none. Other niggas ain't shit to me. Bits and pieces of shit and it's 6 degrees. What's left of the rappers who are pissed to me? Never been a paraplegic, can't perceive defeated, so I guess all that's left is victory. Damn right. Bring heat in the 6 degrees. Dare any other nigga try and bitch at me. I walked in, white shirt, black face, no heart, and I left that bitch with a crimson tee.